If your nail lines look like this, it's not because you have shaky hands. It's because you're missing fundamentals that nobody teaches. And I'm going to show you exactly what they are. Hey, I'm Mia from Mia Style Academy, and I teach structured nail art education, not random tutorials, but actual technique training that transfer to any design you want to create. Today, we're talking about shaky lines, which is the #1 nail artist struggle I see. By the end of this video, you will know the 3 golden rules for clean lines, and you understand why structure matters more than talent. Okay, so here what most people think when their lines are not clean. Oh, I just have shaky hands. I'm not good at this. Maybe nail art is just not for me. Wrong. Your hands are not the problem. The problem is you're probably doing one or several of these things wrong. #1, your hand is not anchored. #2, you're using too much product or the wrong product entirely. #3, your brush angle is not correct. These 3 mistakes account for probably 90% of your line work problem. And here's the thing, none of these are about talent. They're about technique, and technique can be learned. And I know this because when I started, my nail art was terrible, like really terrible. And it took me a very, very long time to understand what I was doing wrong and coming back to the fundamentals. Alright, let me show you the 3 golden rules for clean lines. I'm going to demonstrate each one quickly so you can see the difference. Rule #1, anchor your pinky's dominant hand against your other hand. Watch what happens when you don't anchor. The line shakes because my hand is floating in the air. Now watch when I anchor my pinky here. The line is clean and controlled. Your pinky becomes your stabilizer. It's like using a tripod for your camera. This one change fixes at least 50% of your shaky hand problem. Rule #2, use less gel and make sure it's the right kind. Here's what happens when you load too much product or you load your brush improperly. Your line gets fat or uneven and messy. Now watch when I load the brush properly, just a thin, controlled amount. Also, if you're using regular gel polish for line work, it's going to spread. You need a good liner gel. Less is more, a correctly loaded brush and you're in control. Rule #3, the angle of your brush against the nail matters. You cannot have your brush at the same angle for straight line or for curved lines. It depends on what you're doing. You cannot also use the same brush length for everything. You have to adapt the brush length to what you're doing. Okay, so these are the 3 golden rules for clean line work. And if you practice them, your lines will improve. But here's what most people still struggle. You know a little bit more what to do now, even though there's still a lot more to it than that, but you don't know how much to practice or what order to practice things in, and you don't even know what you don't know. And that's where structure comes in. Because here's the truth. Learning nail art randomly from an unrelated tutorial does not work. You'll watch a marble nail design, then a French tip video, and then a flower tutorial, but you're jumping around with no foundation. It's like trying to build a house by starting with the roof. Inside my academy, we don't do it that way. In level 1 fundamentals, the first thing we cover isn't even designs. It's module 1, gel, brushes, and tools. Because if you don't even know what kind of gel you need, if it's a gel polish or a liner gel, or what kind of brush you use for the design you're trying to accomplish, you're going to struggle no matter how many tutorials you watch. And I really go deep in there, even from the way you're supposed to hold your brush or load your brush, and all the little things to successfully learn nail art. Then module 2 is about lines and basic shapes. Just lines, straight lines, curved lines, all about that. And it also includes the practice sheet. So every time you learn something, you have to practice it until you're happy with the way you absorb it into yourself, and now you can do it on your own. And by the time you get to module 3 and 4, which are about more the designs. It's not hard anymore because you already have the foundation. So that's what I mean by structured learning. It's not here's a random tutorial, go copy it. It's here's the technique, here's why it works, here's what to practice, how to practice it, for how long to practice it, and how to track your progress. Now you can do it by yourself. Every student gets a personalized planner based on how much time they have per day and how many days per week. So if you have 1 hour per day, your program will look different than someone that has 3 hours per day. And at the end of level 1, there's a challenge. You get a digital certificate right away and a physical one when you complete the challenge. It's a real academy experience, not just one video you watch and forget. And the thing is, anyone can do this if they practice. I'm not special. I don't have magic hands, unfortunately. I just learned and practiced consistently. And that's how I went from messy beginner lines to being able to paint portraits and sculpt 3D arts on nail now. It just took me a very long time and a lot of errors and trials because I did not have that structure. That's the reason I wanted to create that, to help you improve faster and easier. Alright, so if you want to start fixing your shaky lines today, I also have a free mini quiz for you. The link is in the description below. It's completely free, go grab it. And if you want the full structured program, the modules, the training sheets, the personalized planner, the challenges, the certificates, it's level 1 fundamental at Mia Style Academy. It's only $57, one-time payment, lifetime access, no subscription. Check it out at miastyleacademy.com and the link is also in the description. Either way, remember this: anchor your hand, less of the right product and the right angle of your brush. If you got value from this video, subscribe for more structured nail art education. I post 1 video a week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.